Hi, hello. I'm very happy to be here, especially, sharing our experience, especially with you, that you are partners, and maybe you have customers that are having the same challenges that we have in the last years, and I want to explain you how we solve it. And not only this, I want to explain you the huge opportunity that we have here connecting the online and the offline world. I work for MasOrange. This is the first telecommunication operator in Spain. This is fresh news because, as Sharon has said, the incumbent was Telefónica in Spain, and for the first time in the history of the Spanish market, there's a change here because we are doing the things in a different way. We are getting better results, and we are now the #1 in Spain. We have more than 30 million of customers. We sell not only SIM mobile service, but internet service, fiber service, television service, football, over-the-top services to our customers. And what is more important, we have the best NPS of the Spanish market. In MasOrange, I am the digital strategy and sales director, which means that my team is responsible for all the digital sales in the company, which means there is more than 40% of the sales that we have in the company. Our strategy is to have a multi-brand ecosystem of telecommunication brands, which is great for us because if we have a customer that is not satisfied with our services in one of our brands, and move to another brand in the market, there's a 70% of probability that the brand is also ours. So it's a really nice strategy. And yeah, we are responsible for digital sales, which means that we are responsible for generating the traffic to our digital assets, to convert this traffic into sales, and also to do it with the best customer experience. Let's make a trip together about what we do, what we know how to do it. This is what we call the happy path for a digital marketer. We are trying to push that all our operation is done in digital, which is great for us because we have all measure and we can do what we know to do in an efficient way because we are only not having the target for volume of sales, but also the cost is important for us. And I'm going to show you how we do this in digital. We start generating traffic for the users in the advertising platforms, Google, Meta. So we show the ads to the customer and to the user, and the user eventually click on this asset, so lands in our digital ecosystem. And we start learning from the user. So the user likes this offer that he has seen. We collect data from where the user is navigating. We know that the offer or the promotion of this product is better for this user. We don't know the human that is behind the user. We only collect data from this user. And sometimes it's very difficult that in a telco service, the user purchases in the first visit that we have in the digital ecosystem. So the path user leaves the funnel, and we have started the chasing mode that if we again see this user in the digital internet navigating, we are going to offer this user a customized product or offer because we know already that he was interested in fiber or he was interested in a cell phone or whatever. So we're going to chase this user with this promotion. So hopefully we get another click and we get the interest and the user ends in a purchase and we have a sale, that is our target. But this is not ending here because with this information, this data about the user has already sale, this information feeds again the platform for the advertising, Meta, Google, to say, hey, this user is already a sale, so don't lose money. Don't have a bid from it and don't chase it because it's already a sale. But also, we use this information because we know that this kind of user is converting well, for example, in a fiber product or a mobile product or a cell phone product. So we can make some kind of models in our platforms to see this kind of user cluster segment is more likely to buy this kind of product. So we are we are most cost efficient in our bids in our platforms for advertising. And also we can attribute the sale to the agency or to the partner that give us the traffic. So this is the ideal world. But guess what? If you try to push all your sales through the digital channel in the digital ecosystem, you are losing opportunities. Because as Søren has said, sometimes the user needs a contact with a human, wants to talk with an agent. Even if you have the better user experience, if you have no friction in your funnel, sometimes human needs to contact a human. So to don't lose these opportunities, you have to offer another channel to the customer, to the user, to make the purchase. And what happened in the digital ecosystem, that if we manage that the origin is digital, but suddenly the customer goes for a call, we lose information, we lose this data that we use to feed our digital ecosystem to be more cost-effective. And how can we solve this? Because I don't want to lose these opportunities of sales. A sale is a sale, okay? Not only in digital, but also in cost. They're also in point of sale, physical point of sale. How can we solve this? We can solve it with a solution from CoreMedia that is called a click-to-call widget. And it's something very simple. When the user needs more information, we can have some buttons in the website, commercial website, for more information, click to call if you need some help. And it's a box that is very easy to integrate in our ecosystem, in our website, because it's just JavaScript. And with this box, we are mapping, because this widget is integrated in our website, we are mapping information that we have from digital, user A that comes from campaign X, whatever, with the phone call. Because we are requesting the customer, hey, put here your phone number and we call you back. And we have in CoreMedia systems, in our database, the mapping between user A, that we know from here, and the phone call that we know from here. So we are mapping the online and the offline world. But not only this, because in CoreMedia product, we can also control the customer experience about this call. The CoreMedia will connect the call with the customer, but we can also manage how the IVR with the customer is, managing the workflow easily with text-to-speech, changing very easily, and also we have the agents connected to the platform and categorizing the call. Is a sale, not a sale, so we have the information about how the call ends to feed, again, the digital ecosystem. So we have, again, all the information, and digital marketers are happy again. As I told you, not only we can control the customer experience through the IVR, we also can make some models, because all the information that we have in CoreMedia system are exportable to our CDP, to our BigQuery system. So this is data that we can work with. But sometimes the user is afraid of giving the phone number into a website, because they are going to chase me a lot, and I prefer to something more feeling secure. So we have another trick for solving this, that is showing a phone number. But if we show a phone number for the customer to manually dialing in the phone, we again lose the connection between the digital and the offline world of the call. But we have another trick for this, thanks to CoreMedia. There's another widget that we call Call Tracker, which means, yes, we are showing a number for the user, but it's a different number for each user. We don't have infinite numbers, so we have a pool of phone numbers by time slots. Huge pool, so we are able of managing that. We are showing in a time slot one phone to one user. So if a phone call occurs on this number, we have in this database that this number in this time slot was for the user A. And again, we have the circle complete. And again, we have all the information, all the data, and the customer. In conclusion, Data is the queen. We use it for make the things different, to be more cost-effective, and for customization and personalize the experience of our users, navigating not only in the internet with the display and so all the ads, but also in our websites and landings. And there's a huge opportunity here, connecting the offline data to your online ecosystem, to your digital ecosystem. For us, the opportunity was to improve in more than 20% the conversion rate that we had in the digital ecosystem. So there's a huge opportunity here for your customers to improve their data in their digital ecosystems. Thank you so much.